Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, as you can tell, I'm going to be creating this look that I did for my birthday. Well, the day I'm shooting it is not my birthday, but I released the pictures on my birthday, and I just really wanted like a fun look that I feel like represents me. And I picked the flowers specifically because my name means mbaliyamc, which means my flower, and my name is mbaliyamc, which means flowers, and I really wanted something to represent that, so I felt like I needed to add some flowers in my head. And then I wanted to add these pearly things because I feel like these like make you look like you're out of this world, and I feel like I've got an out of this world personality, if I may say so myself. And I feel like yellow is a beautiful color on especially dark skin tones, so I really wanted to do something fun like this. It's almost like editorial, like I'm not gonna wait for a magazine to approach me before I do my own fun photo shoot. So this is something that I really wanted to do, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Oh my goodness, I feel like I've always got like stuff on my face, like why am I this girl? Like, why am I this girl? I'm gonna start off with my hair. Like, if you guys hear like a sound, this guy's playing like really loud music, and I already asked him to please decrease it, so I don't know. And he does this like every Sunday when he's washing his car. So I'm gonna try to talk over the music. Hopefully you can't hear it because I asked him to reduce it. It was worse before. So I'm just gonna start off by spraying my hair and sort of making sure that this water goes in. So I don't want to leave my hair till like last. I'd rather fix my hair first. Okay, I'm just gonna do my hair. I just did this last night so that I could stretch it. Okay, now that that's done, to sort of fluff me down, I'm going to be using my water with some conditioner. And you sort of don't want to do like a lot because it can get fluffed too much. I'm not trying to shrink my hair, I'm just trying to get it to look decent. Look decent. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and then I'm just gonna do my makeup. I'm going to do my makeup. I'm gonna start off with some vitamin E oil, and this one I got from Dischem. I don't know like what it does, but every time I apply it I just feel like my skin is extra silky for some reason. Next up, I'm applying my Wet n Wild primer. This is a great primer. My skin just feels smooth with this vitamin E oil that I use. It just feels so good on the skin, you have no idea. And then before I start my brows, I'm just gonna use some wipes. So I just take a wipe and then I wipe my eyebrow, and this normally helps to give like to help you draw your eyebrows better. You don't have to use a wipe, you can use a wet cloth, a wet face cloth, whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to use my precisely my brow pencil. This is my go-to pencil. I use it for every single time I draw my eyebrows. Okay, so I did my one eye. My eyebrows are gonna look a bit small because I overdrew this a bit and I didn't want to start again. I'm gonna take my concealer. It's my Wet n Wild concealer, and I think this is their new concealer. I'm not sure exactly. Yes, it's from the PHOTOFocus collection, and I really like it, although it does have a bit of a like thingy smell, because I don't like concealers that are too full coverage. If this is meant to be full coverage, then I don't know. So what I'm doing literally is I'm putting some on my hand on, and then I'm just gonna dab. The reason why I'm using such a light concealer also is because I want the yellow to pop up, to like show up on my skin. I'm going to take my Lancome foundation. I really love this foundation. It's a beautiful foundation and it's got a very beautiful finish. I'm going to pump some on my hand next to the concealer, not on the concealer, like that, just a little bit. And then the idea is just to clean out the top of my eyebrows. Drawing brows is a different experience every single time. I'm gonna take my loose powder from Yardley and I'm going to just pat my face dry. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my Lancome and I'm going to be using that as well. This spot on my face. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow first, but I found it. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Natural Finish spray. This is a setting spray, and literally I just to help it blend out, and you just dab away. I'm gonna go in with my concealer again. I'm just trying this one out. I bought it yesterday. I normally use the Fit Me concealer. It's finished, but I love the concealer, the Fit Me concealer. Actually, let me use some. The Fit Me doesn't have a lot of coverage, which is what I like. And then I'm gonna add my Wet n Wild on top. I'm gonna take my setting spray and I'm gonna, there we go. I'm gonna start blending. I'm just gonna use my infallible L'Oreal stick to put some color back in me because I look like Casper, the friendly ghost. I'm gonna take my powder again and then I'm gonna set my face. I don't like using a lot. I just do what's necessary. Like, that's it. So I'm gonna be using the Zulu palette, and I'm going to be using this yellow color. So I'm just gonna be using this yellow color over here, and I'm using this brush from Clicks. I bought this at Click. I'm gonna start dabbing this into my eyelid. Sweetie. I'm going to add a bit of, although I do like it like this, but I'm gonna add a bit of what is this, a Stila product. I bought this at Woolworths. What is this even? It is, I don't know what this is. I think it's just a cream. It's a cream eyeshadow, could be mistaken, but I think it's a cream eyeshadow. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some on my eyelids a bit, and there we go. And then I'm just gonna use my I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild highlighter and just a fan brush. Do this sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna put on some eyelashes. These are I got these at Clicks. I really love these ones, and I probably use these This is probably like my 10th time using them, if not more. And then they don't come with the glue. The glue that I will use is this one from, I got this Kiss one from one of the eyelashes that I bought, and I really want a bigger one because this glue is legit. It is like a really good glue. So I went ahead and I bought these. I bought these at P&A. I already used a couple, so I'm gonna start putting these onto my face. Guys, this song has been stuck in my head all day, like all day. I heard it at a friend's wedding and it's just been stuck. It's just been stuck in my head ever since. Like, I feel like I need a bit of color. So I'm gonna take this a Beauty Treats Deluxe Pro palette, and I bought this at Discam for like cheap when I was still learning how to do makeup. But I'm gonna be using this I don't know if it's coming off as orange. This orangey, a bit of brown, just to add a bit of color to me. And I think the concealer really washed me out. I hate the concealer, I really do. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna add that around me just to give me a bit of color, like just to add a bit of color, because I feel so washed out. That concealer really killed me. And now for the last step, I'm going to take my flowers, which are probably like half dead in here. Oh, you guys, they're not looking the best. No! I'm gonna try. Oh, you guys. Okay, so I went and I bought myself, I got some press stick, and then I got some yellow cardboard that I'm going to be sticking up. And this is just going to help with the taking out the pictures. So I'm doing like a DIY photo studio. Since I can't be booked, I'll be booking myself. Thank you very much. My flower is falling off, you guys. And there you have it. We're gonna start snapping some pictures because my flowers are not, they're not cooperating. My goodness, look at that. Alright, so this is the final look, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for all the support, you guys. I started this channel and I didn't know what I was doing half the time, and I'm just growing to like being in front of a camera and being on YouTube, so I'm very grateful. And thank you for all the people that have subscribed, and if you haven't, please do support the channel and subscribe. And I hope that you guys enjoy the content, and do let me know in the comment section below what kind of content you'd like to see for 2020. It does help me as well. I mean, I do have ideas, but it would be really great if I knew what exactly you would like to see. So thank you so much for the support, and I will see you guys on the next one. Much love, much peace. Thank you guys.